to prevent a possible coup, having led one in 2017, survived one behind the scenes in 2019, and now fearing it again. President Emmerson Mnangagwa is strategically reconfiguring the military's command structure and dispensing patronage generously as the succession battle between him and Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, a former army general, intensifies. Sarabena mashoko pangwene onzi tukamiri wenyika ari in a bid to avoid another coup. Not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibila na mauda nyuko mchinzi. Mnangagwa yesterday distributed over 100 cars to the Zimbabwe Defense Forces ZDF as part of a total of 700, which will be given to the military to enhance its mobility. Explaining his program, Mnangagwa said, "The vehicles I'm commissioning today are under the first phase of comprehensive program that will see the government procuring vehicles inclusive of buses towards enhancing mobility across the rank and file of the ZDF." Mnangagwa has removed high-ranking military commanders and sidelined others as he sought to consolidate power. The role of contingency in politics also helped him. Death. Some of the deaths were, however, mysterious. These moves, actions have deepened factional infighting within the ruling ZANU-PF party, fueling fears of a new power grab ahead of the 2028 elections. Mnangagwa was particularly tightening his head-man's grip on power now, as he tussles Chiwenga over succession in the run-up to the ruling party's annual conference next month. Even though the conference is not elective, it will have a major bearing on succession. The Mutare Convention is especially important as Mnangagwa's political allies want to use it to pass a resolution for implementation of last year's Bulawayo decision to extend the presidency rule beyond its 2028 to constitutional limit to 2030, a move which heralds a third term. Doma Shokaripomba developments are conference Iowa. Panguwa ine mtukamiri wenyika ya Zimbabwe is now heading for another term. Panguwa ine ifana kuno mchisa to 2030. Ayo ingato suspita now. Ichishinka zvikare mna 2033. Tuze mafunguro enyu moti kubipa msoro pechitiko ichi. Mnakomese kuchimeredza mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.